We talk football, let's say inform, entertain. Yeah.
It's 3 out of 3 again.
Yeah.
So now it's 2 out of 3.
Yeah.
So get no born.
Yeah.
Sayiphinda lento Saturday.
So
Sayiphinda bathi ingoma emnandi
Saturday.
Yabo. So Saturday nearly 1-0 to 2-0.
2-0.
No ngathi sakhuphuka ngathi uzoba yi-3-0.
Zoba yi-3-0.
Ngathi uzoba yi-3-0. Sisakhuphuka manje.
Shaya abantwana babantu
1, 2, 3.
Nishaya abantwana babantu kabuhlungu kanje.
No, yazi kwenzakalani?
Yeah.
Dala isinyathile esikhukhuni. Sathula sabuka.
Yeah.
Sathi no siyabuya. Hayi anyeke ngato.
Yeah.
Siyabuya.
Yeah.
No, yithi la.
This
is what they call a comeback.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is a Buccaneer comeback, a true definition of a Buccaneer comeback. Yazi ngithini? Last week is 10-1. Namhlanje sithini 2. Saturday is 10.
Angazi.
Sosothi 3.
Oh,
yakhuphuka. Yeah, levels lento le.
Yeah.
Abantu understand the one thing ne.
Yeah.
Into engiyithandayo about our opponents.
Yes.
Basinyathile.
Yeah.
Khamburile, nyeke nisakhuphuka, hey nizobheka sharp. During the week basivalisela ngabantu abayi2. Bathi Van Rooyen khona sathi okay.
Yebo.
Bathi Tito khona sathi okay. Namhlanje sathini
2-0.
Savala imilomo.
Yeah.
Thulekile manje.
No. Siyabonga
nathi.
football lesson.
Buccaneer once and always. Once and always. Asikude once and always. Sengishilo.
Siyabonga.
Angisho sakhuphuka sithe 1 sathi 2 namhlanje. 3 Saturday. The MTN 8 we are the defending champions. We can't let it go.
Yeah.
We can't allow somebody to just sweep it off our feet.
No.
We are making sure that we are the defeating champions and we are the reigning champions. Not just defeating, but we are the reigning champions. Therefore, with this title, we still hold it up. MTN 8.
Yeah, like
as much as people do not believe it, 3 times in a row, 4 times in a row. Bega this year,
5 times.
Bega this year, Bega this season. As in the season, njengoba na last year bethe emergency BC nyeka zayiphakamisele cup guys. Asibhekeni into eyi-1
nakhana sibisi
arina hane sibisi aphakamisa MTN 8 lihlabona umxholo. History is about to be written.
Yes.
Rewritten. Revolution shall be televised by this page. Tina as Favy member, as Favy a specific team player. We are here for the badge. And the badge lives on since 1937 till 2026. So therefore, the revolution shall be televised. City Buccaneer once and always. Sibongile kakhulu bafethu uthi nifikile nazo supporter nazo sibheka nathi yithi la. Hayi sikhukhune hayi ngeke izozo ngenda.